First, you'll need to determine if there is a silver or a green inventory tag on the printer you want to connect to. Remember this tag number. Click the Start button in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. A window will appear and you'll want to click on Devices and Printers on the right-hand side. At the top of the next window, you'll want to click on Add Printer. Within the Add a Printer window, select Add a Network Printer. The Select a Printer window will display several printers. However, you'll want to select the printer that I want isn't listed. To find the printer, click or make sure the radio button for Find a Printer in the directory is activated and click Next. To search for the desired printer, in the name field, enter your department name, such as CHAC for Utilities, and click the Find Now button or just press Enter. This will give you a list of your entire department's printers. You can press the word Name and it will sort by printer name, or you could select the word Model to sort by model. In most instances, printers are listed using the tag number listed on the printer. Copiers are listed by the model of the copier. If you are unsure of your department's abbreviation, by clicking on the name title without searching, will display a list of every printer. You can scroll through the list to find your department and the associated printers. Once you've found the printer that you want to connect to, double-click on the printer name. A window will appear stating you have successfully connected to the printer. Click Next. You may receive a window stating if you want to make this the default printer, select the desired option. The next window to appear will be the test page. If you want to ensure you have connected the printer correctly, press the Print a Test Page button. Click the Finish button. If the test page has printed, congratulations! You have successfully installed the printer.